This is string 3, the problem is without string, and the problem reads, given two strings, base and remove, return a version of the base string where all instances of the remove string have been removed. You may assume that the remove string is length 1 or more. Remove only non-overlapping instances, so with xxx removing xx leaves x. The first example, the output is he there because LLO has been removed from hello there. So for this problem, I want to have a couple of variables. First, I want to have one integer variable that holds base.length. Then I want to have another integer variable that holds remove.length. I'm going to have a string variable to hold base.toLowerCase and another string variable to hold remove.toLowerCase. And lastly, I want to have a string result, something that we will output later in the method. So for this program, I'm going to run a for loop. Run it for the amount of times of base.length and I++. So if I is less than or equal to b length minus r length, then string temp equals low base.substring I, I plus r length. Then inside, still inside the if statement, if not temp dot equals low remove, then result plus equals base dot substring I, I plus 1, and else I plus equals r length minus 1. Now, else string temp2, let's call it temp2, equals low base dot substring I, I plus 1, and if not temp2 dot equals the remove, then result plus equals base dot substring I, I plus 1. And after this whole for loop, we want to return result.